Vidya Group Public School, Bhopal. Today I will teach you chapter 3, The Selfish Tortoise. Selfish tortoise means there was a tortoise who was very selfish, who only think about himself. He never think about other persons. He only think about himself. सेल्फिश मतलब स्वार्थी, जो सिर्फ अपने ही बारे में सोचते हैं. टॉरस मीन्स कछुआ. एक कछुए की कहानी है जो सिर्फ अपने ही बारे में सोचता था, किसी दूसरे के बारे में उसे कोई भी ख्याल नहीं आता था. He never think about other persons. Now everyone disliked Tortoise because he was proud, greedy and dishonest. Why everyone dislike? Dislike मतलब nobody like him. Dislike मतलब उसको कोई भी नहीं चाहता था. So no one liked Tortoise because he was very proud. He was greedy and dishonest. Greedy means वह बहुत लालची था, बहुत घमंडी था और बेईमान था. He was nice to others when it suited to him. He only behaved well to other person when he has some work to other person. जब उसे किसी दूसरे के से कोई काम होता था तभी वो उनके साथ अच्छे से बिहेव करता था, नहीं तो वो उनको इग्नोर करके चला जाता था. He would ignore them and walk away. No one liked him, but Tortoise did not care. He had a good wife who always looked after him. Someone cared him or not, he didn't care about this. And he had a good wife. He had a wife who looked after him very well, who cared him very much. उसकी एक वाइफ थी जो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक करती थी, उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा केयर करती थी. You can see this tortoise, selfish, greedy and dishonest tortoise. Okay. One day there was a lot of excitement. He come to know that there is feast of birds in the sky. Tortoise learned that birds had all been invited to a great feast in the sky. He come to know that all the birds were invited in the sky for a great feast. Great feast मतलब एक बहुत बड़ी पार्टी थी उनके स्काई में, and all these birds were invited for this party. Then Tortoise went to the birds. Tortoise उन birds के पास गया and take me with you, and he requested him, please take me with you. I will also go with you. मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ चलूँगा. I will also come with you. मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ आऊँगा. He said, I have become good. I have turned over a new leaf. Turned over a new leaf मतलब I have changed my behavior. I have totally changed my behavior. Now I am not proud. I am not greedy, and now I am not dishonest. I have totally changed myself. He requests to birds. So all the birds were agreed to take him with themselves. There were parrots, peacocks, ostrich, eagles, and many other kinds of birds of every shape, size and color. Each bird gave Tortoise a feather and stuck it on his back. Then when he requested him, please कि मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ चलूँगा, then all birds together come to him and give him her feathers. All birds gave him one feathers and stuck on his back, और उसकी पीठ पर उन्होंने चिपका दिए. Soon Tortoise was ready to fly. Now this tortoise could also fly. He could magnificent and colorful. Now he is looking very beautiful and very colorful. When all birds provide him their feathers, then he looked very beautiful and very colorful that time. All the birds stood around him and admired him and told him how fine he looked. praised him very much. सबने उसकी बड़ाई की. Now you are looking very smart, you are looking very beautiful, and you are looking very fine. Now it was a time to start. They took off, and Taurus took off with them. Now it's a time of the feast, and all took off, and also Taurus also took off with them. He found himself soaring toward the clouds. Soaring means now he can fly in the sky. He found himself that he is now flying in the sky. Soon they reached the sky. The sky people welcomed them warmly to their country. When they reached in the sky, then all the people in the sky welcomed them. Welcome मतलब उन्होंने अपनी कंट्री में उनका स्वागत किया. The sky people seeing Taurus' colorful plumage, though he was king of birds. All the people in the sky were looking toward only Taurus, and he is looking like a bird's king. वैसा दिखा था कि ये बर्ड का राजा है, because his body was covered with the beautiful wings, beautiful feathers. The food was brought to the great platters. Now you can see here. They served them food in a great platters. Platters मतलब great platters means plates. So all the people in the sky provide them food in a great platters. Taurus' eyes grew bigger and bigger. Bigger and bigger मतलब वो आँखें फाड़ कर उस खाने की तरफ देखने लगा. He began gobble the food as fast he could. Gobble मतलब eat fastly. जैसे ही उसने खाने को देखा वो उसको तेज तेज खाने लगा. गॉबिल मतलब तेज तेज स्पीड से खाने लगा, कहीं दूसरा कोई और ना खा जाए. एंड throwing plum and he could throwing the plum about. Plum means लॉन्ग feathers. वो कभी अपने बार अपने पंख जो थे वो बार इधर से उधर कर रहा था. Each time birds tried to get a bite, he pushed them away and would not let them come near the food. When he reached there, he behaved them as he done before. He eaten all the food, and whenever any birds tried to get the bite, he pushed them away. जैसे ही कोई भी बर्ड खाना खाने के लिए आती थी वह उनको भगा देता था. आप ये देख लो, he is alone eating all the food. You can see here, and all the birds are looking toward him. Taurus ate until he could eat no more. तो उसने वो खाना जब तक खाया जब तक कि उसके पेट में जगह नहीं बची. It could not move, and at the last, birds got a chance to get near the feast, and they found there was a very little food left. Now, when birds' chance come, they find the food was very less. तो खाना बहुत कम बचा था because he had eaten all the food. Now they terribly angry. They became very angry, and all the birds take out their feathers from his body. सबकी सब birds इतने गुस्से में आ गई थी, उन्होंने उससे अपने feather छीन लिए. Suddenly Taurus realized that he was without wing. How was he to fly back without any feathers? क्योंकि सारी बर्ड्स को उसकी वजह से भूखा रहना पड़ा. इतनी अच्छी पार्टी थी, सब पार्टी में गए थे. जब उसने सारा फूड ईट कर लिया तो they became very angry. All birds became very angry and all take out their feathers, and suddenly Taurus realized how he will go down now. अब वो नीचे कैसे जाएगा, because he had no feather and he can't fly. So once parrot, please take a message to my wife. एक पैरेट था जो वहाँ पे रह गया था, बाकी सारी बर्ड जा चुकी थी. एंड पैरेट स्टे बिहाइंड एंड he asked him to send message to his wife, please spread all the softest matters and cushion we have in the garden. उसने बोला कि जितने भी सॉफ्ट आइटम हैं जैसे गद्दे वगैरह होते हैं, कुशन वगैरह होते हैं, सबके सब ग्राउंड में बिछा दें. सो दैट इफ़ आई विल जम्प आई विल नॉट हर्ट. ताकि मैं अगर ऊपर से कूदूंगा तो मुझे हार्ट नहीं होगा, मुझे चोट नहीं लगेगी. but parrot did opposite. लेकिन parrot ने because all were angry, so what he did opposite whatever tortoise has said to him. He said to his wife, please spread all over stones and hardest things in the house. Nails, so other things like nails, axes and spread. Axes मतलब उसने बोला कि चारों तरफ हार्डेस्ट जो आपके जो हस्बैंड उन्होंने खबर पहुंचाई है कि नीचे चारों तरफ स्टोन्स बिछा दो, और एक्से मतलब कुल्हाड़ी, और जो आपने कुल्हाड़ी हुए, फावड़े हुए, और नेल्स मतलब जो नुकीले आइटम होते हैं वो सब नीचे लगा दो, क्योंकि ये तुम्हारी टॉरिस का ऑर्डर है. पुअर टॉरिस डिड द पैरेट टोल्ड हर. उसको तो कुछ मालूम नहीं था उसकी वाइफ को. सो ही स्प्रेड ऑल ओवर स्पेड्स, एक्सेस एंड नेल. टॉरिस took a great leap from the sky. When he jumped from the sky, leap means jump. When Tortoise jumped from the sky, what happened? He fell on the hardest things. वो इन पत्थरों के ऊपर, इसके फावड़ों के ऊपर, नुकीले आइटम के ऊपर he fell down, and his shell cracked in 100 places and never mended again. Shell मतलब जो उसकी बॉडी का ऊपर कवर होता है, you can see here, जो उसकी बॉडी में एक हार्डेस्ट कवर होता है, this is called the shell. You can see in this picture, this is called the shell. You can see here, ये hardest आपने, you have seen the tortoise. If you have seen the tortoise, then you can see the hardest cover on his body. So when he fell down, all his body was injured, and he can't mend, and his body can't mend it again. So उसकी बॉडी इतनी हार्ड हो गई थी, इतनी पीसीस में बढ़ गई थी कि वो दोबारा सही नहीं हुई, और उसे अपनी